Switzerland has just launched a pumped storage system with a capacity of up to 20 million kilowatt-hours, which will make the country more self-sufficient in energy. So, what is pumped storage? How does it work? Is it the same as batteries? Let's find out together in today's video. Nowadays, the world is focusing on developing wind energy. Renewable energy sources depend on weather, making continuity hard to guarantee. Energy storage is crucial for operation and maximizing power generation. Large-capacity storage batteries require mining minerals like nickel, cobalt, and lithium. Scientists are exploring different storage ideas. Water is currently the preferred storage method. A pumped storage system beneath the Swiss Alps can provide electricity when needed. It works by using excess electricity to pump water to a higher reservoir when grid load is low, then releasing it to generate energy. Scientists are exploring energy storage ideas. Water is the preferred method. A pumped storage system, 600 meters under the Swiss Alps, with 20 million kilowatt-hours capacity, was completed after 14 years. It provides electricity. Water flowing from high to low generates energy. In pumped storage, water flows both ways. The facility has two reservoirs at different heights. When grid load is low, excess electricity pumps water to the higher reservoir. Turbines use grid power to drive pumps. During high demand, water from the higher reservoir flows down, generating electricity. Energy converts to electricity in hydroelectric turbines. When grid load is low, electricity pumps water to the higher reservoir. When demand surges, water flows down, generating electricity. Reservoirs act like batteries, regulating power and optimizing grid costs. To drive the water pumps, which act like pumps that lift water up, when there is a surge in electricity demand, the water stored in the higher reservoir is released, flowing down to the lower reservoir. At this point, the water flows through the turbines, which act as generators to produce electricity and send it back to the public grid. Therefore, the reservoirs in a pumped storage system function like giant batteries that can regulate power output, optimizing the operational costs of the grid. The concept of pumped storage sounds quite innovative, but it has been used in Switzerland for several centuries. The United States has adopted this method for nearly a century, and China has recently decided to build a pumped storage system with a capacity of 270 kilowatt-hours. The newly launched pumped storage system in Switzerland has a storage capacity of 20 million kilowatt-hours, which is equivalent to the battery capacity of 400,000 electric vehicles, and it helps stabilize Switzerland's energy grid and connect it to other power grids in Europe. This power station has 6 turbines that can generate 900 megawatts of electricity. The system is built between Emerson and Veto in the Vaud region of southwestern Switzerland, buried nearly 600 meters underground within the mountains. The massive machine room of the power station is about 200 meters long and 32 meters wide. To transport construction materials to the site, engineers first had to dig a tunnel through the Alps. A tunnel was dug, measuring about 18 kilometers in length. Once the tunnel was completed, construction materials and prefabricated components were transported into the mountains, and the entire project took 14 years. To increase the storage capacity of the battery, the height of the Emerson reservoir was also raised by 20 meters. After overcoming all the challenges, this power station is now operational and can supply electricity to 900,000 households at the same time. Thank you for watching this video.